Hi everybody. Do you ever go to Sam's Club and you buy this coleslaw? Well, it's really just a couple cabbages and some carrots. There's a boatload of it. This is a big old Tupperware bowl that I have here. Well, what I like to do is save some to the side. I'm going to make real coleslaw with mayonnaise and whatnot for our dinner, but I like to save some out to use for a couple different reasons. You can put this mix right in some soup. Say you made some soup, even, well, any kind you like, ham and cheese or something. Just put some cabbage in. Definitely beef barley soup, vegetable soup, that kind of thing. But air is your enemy. So I was trying to take some more of this. I'll probably be sloppy here, but you'll get the idea. Air is your enemy, so keep that as full as you can before you put the lid on. And then also from Sam's Club, I bought a big bag of walnuts, and I've had them go bad on me, rancid on me, and get old, and they taste terrible. So I'm going to use the vacuum sealer. It takes all the air out. Simply, mason jar, small or large, it adjusts for that. And then, because I already used a bunch of walnuts for cooking and baking. So there's my culinary quickies, actually 2 of them, not just one of them, for the day. All right, enjoy.